Quick and easy pasta recipe. For this pasta you'd need penne pasta 1 cup, salt 1 tablespoon, canola oil 1 tablespoon, bell peppers ½ cup, broccoli ½ cup, ground black pepper 1 teaspoon, cayenne pepper 1 teaspoon, marinara sauce 3 tablespoon. Step 1. Boil 1 cup of penne pasta with ½ tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of canola oil. Step 2. Sauté vegetables of your choice in a fry pan for 5 minutes. I am using broccoli and bell peppers. Step 3. After 5 minutes you'd add 1 cup of roasted chicken with ground black pepper, cayenne pepper and salt according to your taste. Step 4. Add 3 tablespoons of marinara sauce and mix them well while sauté. Step 5. Add 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. This will give your pasta a creamy texture. Step 6. Now mix boiled pasta with sautéed vegetables. Cook it for 5 minutes on low heat. Additional step. Add ½ cup of mozzarella cheese and mix them all together. Now, enjoy your yummy pasta.